Day 6, our final day in Japan, and we were in Tokyo. We left our hotel and took a taxi to Shibuya Sky, one of the best viewpoints in the city. From up there, you can see the entire Tokyo skyline, including the famous Shibuya Crossing, known as the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. Every time the lights turn red, hundreds of people cross from all directions at once. It's honestly crazy to watch. We also checked out the viral Instagram elevator at Shibuya Sky, and yeah, it definitely lived up to the hype. Just standing there, looking over the city, it felt so amazing and unreal. After Shibuya Sky, we made our way to the famous Hachiko Statue right outside Shibuya Station. It's one of the most iconic spots in Tokyo, built in memory of a loyal dog who waited for his owner every day even after he passed away. After that, our next stop was something completely different, the making of Harry Potter studio in Tokyo. This place is actually one of the largest indoor Harry Potter experiences in the world, where you can see the real sets, props, and behind the scenes details from the movies. From walking through the Great Hall to seeing how the magic was created, it honestly felt like stepping into Harry Potter world itself. For any fan, this place is just unreal. We saw the moving staircase and got to experience those magical moving frames just like in the films. We were part of the famous first Quidditch match Harry played.
Quaffle is released and the game begins!
And got to see all the original costumes and props, how they were made and brought to life. Saw the famous iconic chessboard that Hermione, Ron, and Harry played. We saw the Harry's house where he used to live. Everything felt so real. We even walked through Diagon Alley, the street where Harry bought all his wizarding stuff. And at the end, we saw the entire miniature model of Hogwarts Castle, and it was breathtaking. At night, things got even crazier. Me and Anubhav dressed up as Pikachu and a minion and went go-karting through the streets of Tokyo, especially around Shibuya Crossing. It was honestly insane. People were waving at us, cheering, and the whole experience just felt unreal. At one point, I even tried drifting at Shibuya Crossing. Felt like I was in Tokyo Drift for a second. It was chaotic, it was crazy, but definitely one of the most fun things we did in Tokyo.